Yeah. Yeah, it's on. Say hi, Henry.
Hello.
My camera.
Wait, are you gonna
Say
post?
hi, Cash.
Are you gonna post this on Facebook?
Yeah. Hi.
Are you gonna post this on Facebook?
If Mommy says it's okay.
Hi.
And here's little Gussie. Gus. Oh.
Oopsie.
Blinded him. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
We went to the park, we went to the elementary school, and they let us play on the playground.
Oh yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, school's out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
I stopped in the office and asked for
Yay. That's my daughter, Lindsay.
And her awesome son, Henry.
There you go. See how it turns?
But Henry farts a lot.
Oh,
I can't. Because you said a bad word.
yeah, you gotta hop off that to get off the sidewalk.
I know, right? And it goes down.
And does it have a screen so you can see what
Or
you're
this
looking at?
camera does, yeah. But it gets
nice.
covered up.
Yeah, that's annoying.
I just haven't figured out. It's supposed to be just for a phone.
Oh, I see.
But
Even still, it wouldn't show you the whole screen.
yeah, I just haven't figured out how. Hi. Well, the house is quiet. The kids have gone. They had to go to Modesto to have dinner with family. And then they're flying to Tennessee, I believe. Nashville. I don't know if Tim has a show concert to do out there or what, but anyway, they left. I know I didn't film a whole lot of them here, but we were just so busy visiting and enjoying each other's company. The kids swam out in the backyard. We had dinner like crazy. You wouldn't believe everything we fixed. Anyway, so it was a good visit, and the deal with the truck, when they left today, I got in the truck and took it to get it smogged because the tags are out of date, but I cleared it through the DMV and had a permit to drive it. Drove all the way to Merced, pulled into the place to get it smogged, filled out the paperwork. The guy went out to get the truck, and he came back in and he said, I can't smog it. It's an automatic fail because the check engine soon light is on. It wasn't on when I drove to Merced. So, ended up taking the truck to Livingston, which is, I don't know, 20 miles from my house, maybe a little more. And the guy has to keep it to work on it. He's a mechanic that's worked on our truck forever. So, I don't have a truck again. I knew he was going to have to keep it to do like some oil changes and transmission checking and all that kind of stuff. But I didn't expect it to happen this soon, so it could be a blessing in disguise. I don't know. Anyway, so I just wanted to update you guys and let you know what was going on. Kids are gone. Truck's gone. House is quiet. Really quiet. Anyway, so yeah, hopefully I'll get the truck back next week instead of the week after next, which might make it so that I can start my travel sooner. We'll see. Anyway, so that's it for now. I will check back in later. And at the end of this video, please click the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below because I do answer each and every one. Appreciate you watching. Have a great evening. Bye.